bothers me when I open my humidor and I see that humidity is well below what it should be. Today I'm going to be building a humidor that is 12-month maintenance free. In order to do that, I'm going to be using an airtight box and a wireless humidity sensor. So I'm going to be using an airtight Pelican box. This is the 1200. Why a Pelican box? 2 Boveda packs, 69% humidity. A Boveda metal holder for the 2 packs. Hygrometer, thermometer, and the one-step calibration kit from Boveda, so I can calibrate the hygrometer correctly. So the first thing I'm going to do is to calibrate the hygrometer, and I'm going to be using the one-step calibration kit from Boveda. This one comes with a 75% humidity inside, so basically I'm going to turn this off, stick the hygrometer inside, seal it, and wait 24 hours. The pack holders come with 2 stickers. One is a metal one that goes on the Pelican box. This one is a magnet that goes in the back of the holder. Instructions said apply pressure during 60 seconds. Toma Horowitz. And on a similar fashion, 60 seconds of pressure. So the holder is working already on the magnet. So now I'm going to load it with the 2 packs. And this should last for around 12 months in an airtight box like this one. So it's holding the weight pretty good, so charged already. Now the next thing I'm going to do is check the values of the hygrometer and see how much is measuring once has been 24 hours in the calibration kit. The app is called Gobi Home. When I open it up, I can see the humidor, the sensor in the humidor, and the humidity reading 74.4. This is a data logger, so I can store data from days, weeks, month, year, temperature, as well as humidity. Going into the preference, I can set up the temperature alarm as well as a relative humidity alarm. And here's where I'm going to do the calibration of the hygrometer, bringing the reading from 74.4 up to 75%, which is what is reading inside the calibration kit. I'm using double-sided tape to stick the hygrometer to the box. And last, to finish this build, my favorite cigars.